And the inclusive presentation. Importantly, the recruitment of paid faculty members from across the country outside the state has enhanced the academic diversity and the intellectual vibrancy of the university. During these 5 years, 56 professors had superannuated from the university. Under the career advice, thank the Honorable President of India and Visitor of Manipur University, the Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India, the Honorable Governor of Manipur and Chief Rector of Manipur University, the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Professor T. Tirupati Rao, Commission, DBT, CSIR, ICSSR, ICAR, Government of India and other funding agencies. With these viewers, I want to thank all of you once again. So thank you also once again. Thank you.
We now proceed to the most solemn and defining moment of this convocation, the conferment of degrees. May I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Manipur
in Life Sciences Zoology, degree of Master of Science in Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Life Sciences Botany, Life Sciences Zoology, Botany and Zoology, degree of Bachelor of Science for the year 2013 to 2020 to rise. Chancellor Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for
the award of the degrees.
I urge upon the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Chemistry, Computer Science, Mathematics, Physics and Statistics, degree of Master of Science in Chemistry, Mathematics, Physics and Statistics, and Master of Computer Applications, degree of Bachelor of Computer Applications and Bachelor of Science for the years 2013 to 2020 to rise.
I urge the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Surgery, Doctor of Medicine, Master of Philosophy in Clinical Psychology, degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery for the year 2013 to 2020 to rise. Chancellor Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and are found qualified for the award of the degree of the Doctor of Philosophy, Doctor of Master of Surgery, Doctor of Medicine, degree of Master of Philosophy in Clinical Psychology, degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery in the year 2013 and to 2020, and pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of powers vested in me as Chancellor of this University, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, degree of Master of Surgery and Doctor of Medicine, Master of Philosophy in Clinical Psychology, degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, and I charge you that ever in your life and conversation you show yourself worthy of the same.
Library and Information Science, Mass Communication and Political Science, degree of Master of Arts in Economics, History, Mass Communication and Political Science, Master of Commerce, Master of Business Administration, Master of Law and Master of Library and Information Science, degree of Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Law for the years 2013 to 2020 to rise.
And promise. And this is what the university teaches them, moving from curiosity and uncertainty to knowledge, skill and friendship, including confidence. So now for all the students I would say that we are graduating at a very, very opportune moment. Why opportune? Because one, now we have National Education Policy 2020, which will really give you wings to fly further high. We are into digital transformation, especially the advent of artificial intelligence and how we are using technology in the higher education systems. Thirdly, the Viksit Bharat Shiksha Vishtar bill has come, which will again restructure the higher education system of India. Fourthly, you are graduating when India is progressing very fast. We are the fourth largest economy in the world and largest in, say, digital transactions like UPI. Even our UPI is going to the foreign countries. And lastly, because this convocation is happening after 12 years, so you have waited for 12 long years for this convocation to happen. And I was seeing in the book that you will be getting medals from 2013 onwards. The medals will be distributed today. So many, many congratulations to all of you. Now when we talk of higher education system, what are the aspirations of the students today? What do they aspire? So they want to progress fast. They want to be not only the learners in the university, but they want to be lifelong learners. They want to be problem solvers. They want to work in team and eventually become team leaders. They want to be ethical professional. They want to be responsible citizen. They want to be creative and innovative. So how the national education policy is helping you to achieve all your aspirations is something I will talk very, very briefly today. And now you know that national education policy, for these aspirations, what all...
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.